Hi guys, welcome to the first LiveChat webinar. Today we'll be showing you the new improved version of LiveChat, your favorite chat tool. Please remember, this is our first webinar. We're not sure how it's going to go. Please be patient. Today's hosts are me, Blaze, head of support here. I'll be discussing a couple of things in relation to operations on the new LiveChat.
And I'm Bart, I'm the head of development at LiveChat. I'll be covering some more technical issues and show you how we build the best LiveChat out there. So let's move on with today's meeting agenda. We'll start with showing you how the new LiveChat looks like. Then we'll cover some benefits that for sure you will have using the new product. We build it for you. We also mentioned some important changes that are present in the new LiveChat. We'll explain how some things have changed. Finally, we show you how to get the new product. We'll guide you through the migration process, which is really easy for you. And the last step will be the questions and answer section. So we will cover all the questions you may have and answer them directly during this webinar. So let's see what we built for you. The new live chat starts with this screen. That's the place where all agents will work during the day in. This place shows you the chat circles. Each circle is a single chat that the agent is handling. You may be interested why these circles are in different colors. We will cover this later on. So here is a chat window. The agent enters the message for your visitors here. There is a chat history that we will cover later on as well, and some important details about the visitor the agent is currently chatting with. So that's the first and most important screen for every agent. Let's move on to the visitors page here. Here we can see who is browsing our website. The people are divided by groups. The most important one is, of course, the chatting visitors. You can easily go to chat using this button. You can see what are these visitors' names. You can see whether the visitor has been logged using Facebook, whether this customer is a returning one. So, for example, you can talk with your returning visitors and give them some special deals, for example. This little icon shows you that the visitor came from Google keyword. We'll cover some of the aspects later on as well. Let's move on to chat archives. Every time a chat is ended, it will end up over here. Here is a list of ended chats. You can blazingly fast search for these chats. It works really fast. Basically, it's the list that you already have in your application, but it's a little bit redesigned. It's easier to use, and you will like it, I guess. As for the settings, let's cover the country responses changes.
Okay, thanks, Mark. For settings, what we wanted to do is we wanted to make things simple. First of all, we inserted the settings into the LiveChat application itself, so you don't have to search for them in an external web panel. It's all in one location, and it's privilege limited. So agents don't need to see these, but administrators obviously will have these. What we did is we simplified the way this allows you to change stuff within LiveChat. For instance, canned responses can now be added with a few clicks of a button. You just type canned response text, add a tag, add a response, and you also get a notification who did it, when they did it, so you have full control over what's going on in your settings. As for the agents setup, previously called operators, currently within the agents section, you get an overview of performance of your agent. You get his total chat number from the last 7 days. You get average ratings, number of successful chats, let's call them sales. There's also a badge that displays this person's role. Agents can set up their concurrent chat limits individually, or an administrator can do it. And it also displays you currently logged on agents and agents who are not accepting chats. This gives you a very fast and immediate scope of what's going on in your live chat. You can also filter this by groups, previously called skills, which allows you even more clear and streamlined overviews of what's going on at live chat. The reports section has been very much redesigned. We created a dashboard that shows you overall activity within the chat, suggests automatically some improvements you may want to make, shows you average ratings, shows you sales, shows you how many people got queued instead of got straight in the chat. There's also a lot of new features like a ratings report, like a goal report and a survey report.
As for the tickets, because we decided to prepare a simple ticketing system as well, we heard from our customers that they want to contact their customers not only using a chat, but also when they are after hours or in the weekends, where their customers leave messages on their websites. Currently, in the product you are using, you can see just the list of offline messages that they left in the chat window. However, we improved it so that you can now assign an agent to a particular case. You can see who requested this issue. You can see the current status. So everything you need to know to from the beginning to the end of this case is always there. Please keep in mind that the ticketing system is still in the works. We are currently testing it out on our own account. We are fixing the last bugs and so on. So you will be given access to this system within a few weeks now. Let's go on with the benefits of migrating your account to the new live chat. Let's see how your live chat currently looks. So you got the control panel where you manage your settings, you add your operators, you can see the reports here, and also you have a web-based browser. The browser-based web application that you are conducting chats. We heard that it's very confusing for our customers, so we decided to merge these two applications into the new LiveChat, which is a single application with all features built in. You don't need to switch between the applications. You have everything in one place, and it's totally redesigned with a easy to use user interface. So that's a really great benefit for you.
Thanks for introducing the new interface. Now, guys, circles. This is the biggest change we did. All of those chat applications out there, they just show you that you have a chat. We went one step further. We made the live chat actually think for you. It says which chat is important, which chat has been already handled, and which chat is waiting. We made simple circles that have pictures or geographical locations, and these suggest the following. A red circle means you need to attend this chat because a person is waiting. A green circle means it's okay, it's a current chat, but you already replied to it, it's okay. A gray circle means two things. Either this chat has been concluded, or this visitor isn't asking anything and he's been put out of the loop. If he decides to send a message, he'll turn red. Chat history gives you a timeline of what's been going on with your chat with a specific visitor. Say Chris here was wondering if the new collection is out yet. What collection, you may ask? Who's this guy? You can immediately pull up previous conversations with this person straight in the chat window. So you don't need to click on any archives button. You don't need to navigate to another interface. You just have it all within one same interface. As for chat transfers, we made it that simple to choose to whom you transfer your chat. We suggest, like here, that Anna doesn't have chat. She's suggested as the first person. You can transfer your chat to her. Instead of looking at your entire list and figuring out on your own if someone is occupied, you just pick the first person when transferring chats. Simple addition, but makes life really easier. Visitor details. This is one key aspect we improved for the online visitors section. Right now, you're able to immediately see who is a person that's browsing your website. You can immediately initiate a chat with this person. If you're using a CRM system or a ticketing system, you will also see all entries attached to this specific person. Those are clickable, so you can immediately access those entries. You have info on returning visitors. You have info how many chats they conducted, how much time they spend on your website. This all gives you a really great opportunity to handle a chat professionally.
We also improved the integration sections of our product. We built some integrations with the products you are probably using right now. So you can now integrate LiveChat with email marketing software. You can do a file sharing and screen sharing with your visitors. And also, we integrated with Zapier, which lets you further build integrations with additional vendors. Zapier is a integration platform. Full Contact is also an interesting one, which lets you get more details about your visitors just based on their email addresses. So let me dive into the first three types of integrations a little bit more. The email marketing integrations work that way. So when you have a chat window on your website and you enable this integration, your visitors will see a little checkbox that tells you that they are quite okay with entering, with emailing them in the future. So when they enter the email address, it automatically is logged in the MailChimp account you are probably now using. So you can now later on, for example, a day after this chat, follow up with additional questions or some promotions. So as for the sales process, Dropbox integration lets you send files to your visitors during a chat. Let it be a new promo or some big resolution product images that the visitor is asking for. Just enter the Dropbox control and pick the file you want to send. You may also be using the chat to support your customers. And for support reasons, the TeamViewer integration is a great call because you can remotely help your customers during a chat. Currently, we support Join Me and Log Me In integration, and the new LiveChat comes with the TeamViewer product as well. It's a very nice product, easy to use, and lets you help your customers remotely in a matter of minutes, really.
Let's get a little bit deeper in reporting. You guys were asking us, okay, we have these archives, we have pre-chat survey results, but it's all in your interface. What do we do with it? So right now we're responding to this demand. We allow you to export all your chats, all your survey results with all those emails and contacts right into a CSV, TSV, or TSV Excel file on a recurring or one-time basis with a dynamic report engine. So this definitely will improve your control over the chat content and anything you need to report on. We added 24-hour chat distribution for all reports. What this means is basically that you're able to see not only daily and monthly performance ratings, you also get to see what's going on throughout the day. Uh, this particular report we have here, the chats within an entire day, this gives you a tremendous opportunity to know how to staff your live chat throughout the day. As you can see here, at 4 p.m. there's a peak. You have a lot of visitors there. You probably need more agents at that time to handle more chats. So from now on, you don't need to be using any web analytics, watching at all those charts, trying to understand what they mean. You just log into the live chat and it will tell you when and how many agents you need. Chat greetings. This is another spectacular thing we changed within live chat. You may remember chat invitations, so those little pop-ups of the chat window on the visitor screen. We decided that okay, it's cool to have a pop-up, but why not pop up the chat itself immediately? Why not have it more natural, more personal? Right now, what you remember as invitations allows you to actually open up the chat window with an invitation message. These are not chats per se, these are the old invitations, but they look exactly like a chat session. And these get tremendous results when it comes to conversion rates and overall user experience.
Let me tell you a little bit about the performance of the application. Introducing the new live chat means that we rebuilt the backend architecture as well, so that the application now loads blazingly fast. You don't need to wait for the pages to load. It's all a matter of milliseconds, really. It also works well on slow internet connections. So in case you have a temporary problems with your internet connection, you will see a reconnecting screen for a while, and then when the connection is back, LiveChat detects it, and you can get back to work. Uh, from the developer's perspective, LiveChat is also a great asset for you because we built a new developers portal. We cover here some integration tutorials that let you build integrations with LiveChat very easily. We improved our API. You have now easier access to the reports. You can manage your whole live chat configurations using the API. So there are no things that you cannot do with our live chat. We also built a webhooks mechanism, which generally works like the push notifications between two mobile phones, but in terms of computer systems. So let's say the chat is finished. You can configure live chat to tell your backend system that the chat is over, and you can build an integration that forward this chat to your internal system, to the CRM system, or whatever tool you need to integrate with our product.
There's a couple of important changes in the new live chat that may seem a little different from what you're used to. Let me just outline them a little bit. So primarily what we did is we revamped the chat window design. It's slicker, loads faster, and allows you more customization. Inactive chat detection is a feature we added that it just shuts down chats that are not active for a period of time. Simplified operator roles means that you no longer can set priorities or supervisory permission levels. There's only an operator level and an admin level. There are no longer chats between operators. We thought that operators chatting with themselves are, for one, wasting a little time, and two, that wasn't as efficient as supervising chats of each other and helping themselves that way. Push pages, the feature that allowed you to open a particular website in the browser of your user, have been removed. For now, We suggest that you share links using canned responses. You can quickly pull up any hyperlink, just copy paste it, and it's immediately clickable. We simplified a lot of reports. We simplified the operator's availability report. Right now, it displays your chat's availability. There's no invitation to chat conversion report right now because there are no invitations. Chats start immediately when the invitation triggers. So there's no need for this step. You get better conversion rates that way. There's no average response time report because we decided that if you need this, you can set your own rules and create such a report using our advanced reporting section within the API. A goal summary has been simplified, and right now it shows you your total sales instead of particular sales. And also the API, the advanced engine, allows you to do all of that. Price wise, what happens is the new live chat becomes unfortunately more expensive. But good news is it's not more expensive for you guys. We want you guys to continue using live chat and using the latest technology, and that's why we allow all of you to migrate to the new improved software with your current rates. That means that as soon as you decide to start using the new live chat, you won't be charged a dime, and your old prices will be available for as long as you need. The only exception is if you change your subscription volume, add more agents or decrease agents, the new prices will apply, which are $36, $39, and $59, depending on the level of your subscription.
Okay, so you may be wondering how to get the new live chat, and the answer is simple. You just need to log into your control panel. Here is a link. It's panel.livechatinc.com/migration. If you don't remember it, you can just go back to this webinar. You'll get this link to your email after this webinar session. You will be just asked to log in as the account owner. Only the account owner can migrate your account to the new live chat, and you will follow a really very simple tutorial that will convert your live chat to the new product. More than 1,200 customers already use this product. We have been using this product for 3 months now. We have it published on our website since March, and we can tell you that the response is really great. We bring you the great product, well performing, and the agent's performance grows very much. The learning curve of the new product is shorter, and we just want you to start using this product right away. Okay, thank you very much once again, and see you soon on LiveChat.